This how to 1 minute will show you how to add image upload to comments on WordPress. As you can see right now, I'm in my WordPress blog post, and here at the bottom we can see the comment section. And currently here is no image upload option, but now we are going to add here a image upload option. To do that, we want to install and activate a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here DCO comment and search for it. And this is the actual plugin we are looking for. So install this plugin and activate it. Once the plugin activated, hover over on settings and click on DCO comment attachment, and you will jump into the plugin settings page. Here you can change the maximum upload file size, and you can make the attachment required by checking this option and scroll down. Attachment image size, you can change the size from here. Link thumbnail, you can link thumbnail here. Then multiple upload, you can also enable multiple image uploads by checking this box. And gallery image size, you can change the gallery image size. And allowed file types, here you can enable or disable any file types. Who can upload attachment? I'm selecting all users, and now clicking on save changes. Once done, I'm going to reloading my post and scrolling down to the bottom, and here we can see the choose file option has been added to my comment box. Now if I click on choose files, and now I can easily select multiple files to upload here. Here you can see 4 files uploaded. Now I'm going to typing a simple comment here and submitting this post. And here you can see my image comment has been added to this post. So this is how we can add image upload field to comment. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.